Alright, I'm back again. It's an hour and 54 minutes into my walk, and I just found a nice, about 3-inch long middle section. And let me see, I got all kinds of broken tips and stuff. Here's the middle section I just found. And I walked up here, and I walked up on this riffle, and I just seen a piece of, thought it was flake or something, and I pulled that dude out. Check this out. Unbelievable. That thing was whole. I didn't want to put it back in the water. Look how long it is. Watch this. Whew. Definitely the best bird point I've ever found. That is one super Madison. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Whew. All right. That's what I'm talking about.